In this video, we are going to show new trends to look for e-commerce SEO in 2021. Search engine optimization is a smart way of attracting more organic audiences to your website. When it comes to e-commerce SEO, your primary goal must be to appear in the top 10 search results. As you go deeper and deeper, the chances of people noticing your business reduces. Google, or any search engine, offers hundreds of pages for online viewers to explore. But more than 90% of them stick to the first results page. This is why businesses engage in e-commerce SEO, to find their mark on the first page. Let's explore some latest trends that will help your e-commerce SEO. Clear and useful product descriptions. Terrific quality of content. User experience. Learn about structured data. Play with long-tail keywords. Improve site speed, reduce load time. Artificial intelligence, AI. Get more from local SEO. Video marketing strategy. Voice search optimization. Show customer reviews in SERP. Improve site navigation. Follow these techniques and improve your online visibility now. Contact Ecommbrains today to know more.